Hey guys, Nick Hutchins with MarineMax Clearwater here. I've got a brand new 2019 270 Dauntless just arrived. This one's got the twin white Mercury 200 Verados, as well as the dive door platform. It's an awesome option. It's operated by a power switch on the inside. Gives you easy access on and off the beach, or if you are a diver, easily on and off with all your gear on. This boat does a little bit of everything. Even has a telescoping internal swim ladder here. It's good for fishing, lots of deck area for casting, also lots of area for leisure. We'll hop up in here and I'll show you what it looks like. So here we are on board the 270 Dauntless, and as you can see, this boat does everything really well. If you're looking just to leisurely hang out for the day, you've got lots of seating area, comfortable armrests, convertible bow cushions that flip up, easy boarding on and off with handles, speakers up front keep you entertained. Underneath this big seating platform here is a ton of storage area. It's actually got a dive tank option as well that'll hold up to 4 tanks underneath there. Inside the center console, you've got a door that leads to your battery switches as well as to a built-in head. Up top we've got full hardtop, lots of handle holds, and additional rod storage in the back if you're fishing. Up at the helm we've got Mercury vessel view, power trim tabs. Your keys are conveniently located there on the port side. Fusion waterproof stereo, illuminated toggle switches, cup holders. And at the helm seat we've got a convertible helm seat that you can either put the bolster down to sit on or pop it up to be more of a leaning post. On the back side of our helm here, we've got a bait station with live well and freshwater washdown. And if you aren't fishing for the day, you can pop your rear casting deck up into a seat here, large seat. And my favorite feature on the port side here, we've got a platform that flips down, easier access to the beach, or use it for a dive door if you're got the dive tank option up front. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to give me a call at any time. Thanks.